Hey everyone, I'm here in Meisner Park for the ECJ Luxe holiday party. It's kind of a big exotic car show. They got a toy drive, we got some Hot Wheels toys here. I'm going to give any toys, it's got to be, car related, so check out the cars here, give the toys away. Dodge Charger. Toretto's Garage. Hey, here's the McLaren Senna, but it's covered in Grinch graphics. Some holiday stuff there. 720S. Here's a Bugatti Veyron. This is a Super Sport, I think, or Grand Sport. Oh, no way. There you go, there's Santa Sleigh. Ferrari F40. And you know what, this is actually the first F40 I've seen outside of a dealership. There you go, you got the twin intercoolers there, twin turbo V8. Large NECA duct. Holy cow. Well, it's Ferrari or Fort Lauderdale's car, so I don't know if that really counts, but, whatever. There you go, Porsche 911. You know what, let's get inside, let's give these toys away. AMG. Benz SLS AMG, tuned by Rentec, look at that. What's up, bro? What's up, man? Hey, where do we get the toys?
They're over there. All in the center over there.
Okay.
Right by all of them.
Cool. So there you go, you got the Take Apart Racer. And Mega Mat, one car. Cool. Alright, let's head outside and see what's going on. So let's see what cars are here. We got Tim here, Happy Hippie. So I'm sure he's already got a few nice cars out. Let's see what do we got. I'm gonna try to do this while holding a coffee, so walk and talk. Ferrari, got a 911, Huracan, 488. There you go. 4C. I love all the holiday graphics on the cars. We've got Solus here. This SP Jeweler on Instagram. Flat black SLS AMG. Hey. Oh, brand new vintage. Look at that. That's nice. Red Audi R8. That looks really nice. Love it in red. What else we got? Oh, AMG GT. Oh, it's GTS, and you got the clear hood. Check that out. I didn't know this existed. I've never seen this before. But yeah, you can see the twin turbos there. You can see the beautiful twin turbo V8 engine. Look at that. It's got the Venom graphics on it. What else we got? Yellow 4C. Got a California. All right. GT3 RS. Got a brand new Portofino. There you go. Hey, this is your Ferrari?
Yes, sir.
Love it.
Nice.
See, 430 Spider. What do we got? Got 488. Got a Diablo. Okay. All right. And that's the end of the line. There's a lot of nice cars here. I think that's a Range Rover SVR and 911 GT3. Oh, check this out. You got an Aventador. Doors up.
There's a little pocket rocket.
Check that out. A real 1M coupe. Check that out. Typically when you see these, it's like it's just a 1 Series with a body kit, but this is a legit, original 1 Series M coupe in black. Just look at this thing. Ferrari F40. Just a few $1 million. No biggie. Look at this. F40 logo. Embossed in the fiberglass on that wing. What's going on there? 650S rolling through. Hey. Since high school. So I actually misspoke. I thought this was a 4C, but I was wrong. This is not a 4C. you know, it's actually what kind of gave it away was the quadrifoglio logo, the four-leaf clover logo on the corner there on the fender. And then I realized this looks a little different. This is not a 4C. This is an 8C Competizione. Like, holy crap! I don't think they sold these in America. I think these are European. Wow! Look at that! Oh, what a beautiful car! Holy cow! Look at this. You got the door handle there. Jeez. Man, I wish the windows were down. I could check it out more. So, you know, I got to find the owner of this car. This thing is... I never thought I would see one of these in America. It's actually a bit shorter than I thought it would be. That's what she said. So check this out. Here's a fact you might not know about the F40. The front headlight little window there, the housing, is heated. All right, the F40's leaving. Oh man, I just saw a bunch of cars roll in. Let's head over there and check them out. All right, what do we got coming in? We got a 911 Martini livery on it. Check it out. Yeah. 911 Turbo, 997. There we go. McLaren. Hey, brother. Ooh. Oh yeah, that sounds good. What else we got? 570S. Windows 488. There we go. Hey, what's going on, man? High five the camera. All right, Aventador. V12 Lambo and a V12 Aston. Holy crap! Going ham. Oh yeah. 70S rev. See you, Sean. All right, guys, heading home. Party's over. So, crossing the street now. So, yeah, be sure to like, subscribe. Check out finishlinefactory.com. We've got AN fittings, hoses, cool stuff. And what else? What else? Oh yeah, if you have a shop or if you want to be a wholesale dealer, send me an email, info@finishlinefactory.com, and I'll set you up with an account. Catch you later. Bye.